So this is a wee update for the Mini. 3 months ago we brought it to this garage and it's absolutely knackered. So we think the timing chain's come off and damaged the top end. Estimated cost to repair £4,000. So this is us in the car, put the camera on, got one of these rigid tone bars. Apparently it's Pat's idea, but we'll see how it goes. So we'll just wait for him to come out and we'll go back home and I don't know what we're going to do with it. So this is us halfway here. We're stopped on a main busy road, and what's happened is the front right wheel is burst, it blew out on us and we're stuck here. What a disaster. Peak period on a Friday. So this is what's happened. So we're going to try and get it over there somewhere. So we've managed to get it into this wee space off the road. Look at the state of that. So I think that disc is seized, or the caliper seized on it. So back to get a spare wheel.
But it's, what do we do now? We can't talk that.
That's a disaster, that tone bar. So as we think it actually bent at both ends.
Broke at the spring as well.
Broke at the springs, it's absolutely rubbish. Okay, so back into the car and think about what we're going to do.